How to customize always on display on your Vivo T4 Ultra, Vivo T4R, T4 Pro, T4X and other Vivo devices running the latest Funtouch OS 15 version. By default, when you lock your phone and tap on the screen, you can see the always on display information like date and time, battery percentage, always on display clock style. So make sure enable always on display to customize it. So customize AOD on your Vivo device. Open the app drawer on your Vivo phone, scroll down and tap on the settings app. Now scroll down until home screen, lock screen and wallpaper option. Tap on it. Here you can find the option always on display. Tap on it. Now make sure toggle on the always on display option. First setting is the AOD styles. So tap on the AOD style. Now here you can see by default available always on display clock style on your Vivo T4 Ultra and other Vivo T4 series. Here you can the star advance. So different clock style, beauty of humidity, personalized style you want to set. You can customize it using your own setting. Seasonary clock, personalized stickers, digital clock. If you want to simple clock style, you can set digital clock or analog clock. Also add your signature. Here enter the signature you want. Also AOD tools like here you can add your different image or click tap on a plus icon, select the date, different multiple countries. So you can see the list of different AOD clock style. So here we select this clock style currently. When you select it, you can see list of different styles available in this clock style. So we select clock style like this clock style. We select currently. Now tap on apply at the top right corner. Now apply successfully to always on display screen. Now go back. Now tap on display mode. Here you can see how you can access the always on display. Tap screen or raise or move font slightly. So we use the tap screen. Just tap on the screen and you can see the always on display information. If you don't like, you can select the move font silently, like move like this. Just move the font slightly to show the always on display screen. Also see always on display for a new notification. So when you receive the new notification always on display screen, you see the notification on the always on display. When you enable this feature, tap on AOD notification. Here you can see the display new notification as a app icon on the always on display. You can double tap app icon to view the details. Up to 20 apps are supported. So you can toggle on the option you want to show the always on display notification on your Vivo device. And the last is the privacy option. This is not necessary. So always on display will increase power consumption. It will be temporary turn off when the battery is less than 10% or a battery saver is on. So this is the all setting. Now lock your phone and tap on the screen and you can see the new lock screen clock style, date and time, battery percentage on your device. So whenever you receive the new notification, you can see in the always on display screen also on your phone. So quite easy to customize the always on display on your Vivo T4R, T4 Ultra, T4 Pro, T4X and other Vivo devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe.